Welcome to Ms. Burke's Rules. Rules enable peaceful spaces. Rule number 1. Except when playing a game, I will wait my turn to speak. Rule number 2. I will always be respectful, especially while working in my group. Rule number 3. I will not make fun of others. This is a bully-free zone. Rule number 4. I will not cheat. Rule number 5. I will come prepared to class and do my work in a timely manner. Rule number 6. Helping others is a pleasure. Rule number 7. Except when playing a game, I will raise my hand. Rule number 8. When finished with a quiz or test, early I may quietly get a worksheet. Rule number 9. All questions are interesting. Ask away. Rule number 10. I will do my best to participate in class.